How to make money on Minddrift. Have you ever wondered how you can turn your creativity into cash? Stay tuned to discover how Minddrift can help you make money online. Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can leverage Minddrift to create and sell unique digital products. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start earning money online, so let's get started. First, what is Minddrift? Minddrift is a powerful EA-driven platform that helps you to generate creative content from digital art to writing materials. It's designed to spark creativity and assist you in producing high-quality, marketable content, whether you are an artist, writer, or just someone with a creative flair. Minddrift can be your secret weapon for creating unique products. So let's know some types of content you can create. First, you have with Minddrift, you can create a variety of digital products such as ebooks, stock photos, custom illustrations, and more. Imagine selling beautifully designed digital planners on Etsy or licensing your stunning stock photos on Shutterstock. The possibilities are endless. The market for digital products is growing rapidly. So let's take a look at how you can create a unique base of digital art with Minddrift. So the first step is open your browser and dive into minddrift.ea. As you can see, this is the homepage or this is the website. We have here a lot of options and a lot of information that we should know it. Here we have our roles. If you are a writer, you click over here, EA tutorials writer. If you are domain experts, you click over here, editor, you click over here, experts in editor, you click over here also. So this is EA tutors. So here we have also blog, about us, fake, log in for EA tutorial, apply now if you want to apply. Here we have also definition of EA tutors. It is a new role arising from advancement in EA technology. EA tutors are experts involved in EA projects. Their responsibilities include crafting text, evaluating the EA's responses, and conducting fact checks. Here we have some comments. You can read it to more understand and know the judgment of people. So what is Minddrift? Minddrift is a community of freelance experts, writers, and editors committed to innovation and excellence, dedicated to generating high-quality data for improving AI. So this is the homepage. As you can see, Minddrift, you have your task, balance. Then you have other information like try your hand at EA projects, apply your knowledge in a new way, and enrich your portfolio. Then we have work from anywhere, anytime. Enjoy the freedom of a part-time schedule, get paid based on project complexity. Then we have collaborate and learn, join forces with fellow experts, setting a new standard for EA, all under the guidance of experienced team lead. Then we have join our talent pool. We have annotation, specialists who administrate the AI projects and ensure the highest quality of prompt generation and data markup. Then we have writing and editing, an opportunity for writers, editors, and language professionals to combine technical skills and creativity in an innovative way. Then we have domain experts. As you can see, we are looking for subject matter experts in various domains from law to engineering who will join our mission to enhance EA. Here we have responsibilities, how to apply the requirements. For responsibilities, we have review and verify the work done by others and suggest improvement. Then we have formulate clear, effective instruction for annotation projects. Then we have develop train task for EA projects. About apply, all you have to do is write your first name, last name. I guess that it's clear. Email, phone number, country, then LinkedIn profile, personal website, and click over here if you are agree. I agree that you can keep my data for an extended time period so that it will be easier for you to contact me about job opportunities. So you click over here if you are agree, then you submit the application if you want. Then about requirements we have first grade command of English, intermediate or higher, can A for digital data labeling is all about precision. Then we have readiness to learn new technologies, adapt to new projects, and follow complex instruction. Let's come to the back to the top as you can see and click over blog to know other information. Blog we have other options like roles and more as you can see here. The role of experts annotate. If you wanna know other things, all you have to do is click over them. Then we have Genie Insights, as you can see. Then we have stories also. You have Emma. Then we have podcast, interview with Tanisha, interview with Amy, Charlie also. About us, we have definition of Minddrift. Fake, we have frequently asked questions like general facts, do I need AI development experience? Click over here and you get answer. What is an AI tutor? What does a typical task look like? How many tasks will I be able to get? Can I be an AI tutor if I already have a job? Why would I want to be an AI tutor? What does the day of an AI tutor look like? What does the application process look like? About payment we have how do I get paid? How much will I get? As you can see, you click over here and you get your answer. You have requirements, schedule requirements. Will I need to perform a set amount of hours every week? You have how flexible is this opportunity? Then you have selling your content. Now that you have created your digital products, it's time to sell it. Websites like Etsy are perfect for digital downloads, while Shutterstock is great for stock image. Setting up a seller account is straightforward. On Etsy, click Sell on Etsy and follow the prompts to create your shop. On Shutterstock, sign up as a contributor and upload your images. Amazon Kindle is perfect for ebooks. Just follow their publishing guidelines to get started. And there you have it. With Minddrift, making money online has never been easier. Start creating today and turn your passion into profit. And hit the bell icon for more tips on making money online. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful and see you again in the next video.